Good morning, student. In today's maths class, we will discuss descending order. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. What? Bigger number to smaller number. Okay. So, children, we will discuss descending order. For this, you have to know that which is bigger number and which is smaller number. In ascending also, you have to know which is bigger and which is smaller. So, best way we will do with the concept of tens and ones place numbers, then we can identify very easily the bigger number and the smaller number. So we will do, see, if I'm writing, just I'm writing 1 to 10, I will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. As we are coming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is smaller number to bigger number we are coming. This is forward counting. How we will say this is forward counting? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. This is forward counting. But as we go up from back side, if we count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is backward counting. It counts backwardly and it is bigger number to smaller number. When we are counting this backwardly, this backward counting, you see, backward side, this is bigger number to smaller number. This thing you keep your mind when you're going, when you're doing the forward counting, the number as we go forward, the number become smaller to bigger. And when we are doing backward counting, in bigger number to smaller number, we go to bigger number to smaller number. This thing you keep your mind, then you can easily do it. Okay. So children, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is smaller to bigger. So this is ascending order. When we are doing 1, 0, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is bigger number to smaller. This is descending order. Okay, this is descending order. Okay, children. So we will do some sums and how you will identify. It is not possible always to write 0 to 1. Not possible to write 0 to 100. So there is a concept about that. How you will identify this number is bigger or this number is smaller. You see just. Okay. Children, you see the number at the place of tens and ones. You see. If you see tens and one place number, here it is 6. 6 is a one digit number. 6 is a one digit number. So 6 is smaller. 6 is smaller. But descending order means bigger number to smaller number. We have to go from bigger to small. Okay, we have to go to bigger to small. So this way you see 2, 3, 23. So we will go 6 is the smaller one, smallest one among them. So leave the 6. 2, 3, 23, 1, 9, 19, 3, 1, 31, 4, 2, 42. We will see the tens place number. We will see the tens place number. First of all, tens place number. Here it is 2. Here it is 1. Here it is 3. And here it is 4. The tens place number you see 2, 1, 3, 4. If you are counting the numbers from back side, 4 will come first. No, 4 will come first. If we counting the numbers from back side, 4 will come first. 4 will come first. So that means 4 to 42 is the biggest number among them. And descending order means bigger number to smaller number. So 4 to 42 is the bigger one. So we will write here first number 4 to 42. Okay. Then after 4 to 42 we will cut this. Otherwise, always cut this number this side. Otherwise, you will only confuse which number I have written or which number I have to write. You can also, sometimes people write double numbers. No, for conception, you will cut this number. Okay. Suppose, now come to 2, 3, 23, 1, 9, 19 and 3, 1, 30. See here it is tens place number 2, 1, 3. If you counting the number from back side, 3 will come first. If you count the number from back side, 3 will come first. So automatically 3, 1, 31 is the biggest number among them. 3, 1, 31. 3, 1, 31. Okay. After that, you cut this 3, 1, 31. You will always cut this number. If you will not cut, you will be only confused which number I have to do and which number I have not done. So it's better you cut this number. Okay. After that, you see 2, 3, 23, 1, 9, 19. Between them, tens place number you see. Here it is 2 and here it is 1. If you count from number from back side, 2 will come first. 2 will come first. So we will write 2, 3, 23 is the next biggest number. Now it is automatically shown. Here it is 6, 1, 9, 19. Now 1, 9, 19 is the bigger because it is a 2-digit number first of all. And it is a 1-digit number. So the next number is 1, 9, 19. Then you will write here 6 left. Okay, this is the concept that whenever you are counting the number from back side, you will always write that is bigger number to smaller number backward counting. Here you see all are 2-digit number. All are 2-digit number. Here it is 2, 6, 26, 3, 4, 34, 4, 4, 44, 4, 0, 40, 1, 7, 17. So we will go with the concept of tens and ones. Tens, we will see the tens place number and ones place number. See the tens place number. First of all, you see the tens place number. Here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is also 4, here it is 1. Okay, so what is the concept here? That you see the tens place number first. Because it is 2-digit number, you can't identify which is the bigger one. So you better go for tens and ones place like this way, and you to the tens place number. You come to the tens place number. See the tens place number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1. When you are counting from back side, 4 will come first. 4 will come first. But here it is a problem. There it is 2, 4 are there. Here 2 4s are there. So what we will do? Tens place 2, 4 is there. So we will go to ones place. We will go to ones place. Here it is 4 and it is 0. Here it is 4 and here it is 0. When two numbers are same in tens place, we will go to ones place. It is 4 and here it is 0. So automatically 4 is bigger and 0 is smaller. So 4444 will come first, then 4040. Okay. After 4040, you see two number has gone. Two number is bigger. Now left with the 2 6 26, 3 4 34, and 1 7 17. Here you see, here it is 2 written, here it is 1 written, and here it is. Among them, 3 is the bigger one, because 3 will come first in the number cube. So 3 is the bigger one. So 3 4 34 is the next bigger number. 3 4 34. After 3 4 34, you will write 2 or 1 is bigger. 2 is bigger when you counting. Number from back side, 2 will come first. The first number is the bigger number. So 2 6 26 is the next bigger. Okay. Then you write 1 7 7. So this is the concept of this descending order. Today I will give you in a copy descending order. So children, that's all for today. Have a good day.